Hello engineers. So today we are going to learn how to draw isometric view from orthographic projections. So let's move to the drawing table.
To start drawing the isometric view, we need to draw a horizontal baseline and mark a start point on it. Then we will draw 30 degrees construction lines from start point on left hand side and then on right hand side. We will then draw a vertical, that is 90-degree line through the start point. Now with the help of compass, we will measure the dimensions starting from side view and we will plot it on the construction line. With the help of set squares, we will draw the vertical and parallel lines. This same procedure we will follow with other views also. We are now only drawing the faint construction lines. So after plotting all the points from all three views, we get the final shape of the desired object. Now we darken the edges of the object with a dark pencil. Thus we are ready with our isometric view.
So I hope you have learned today how to draw the isometric projections. In last video we have learned how to draw the orthographic projection. You can find the link in the description box. So please like, share and subscribe and do comment in the comment box so I can make more and more informative videos for you. Thank you.